Do you want to know how you can change your sound settings in Elsa Speak? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your sound settings in Elsa Speak. If you want the volume to increase or decrease, you can do this and you can change your sound settings. Go ahead and open Elsa Speak, which is on your phone. Now, tap on the profile section, which you can see on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Go to your profile. You can see this arrow button over here. Tap on arrow and you can see learning and sound settings. So go ahead and tap on learning and sound settings and you can see the sound effect volume. So you can go ahead and increase or decrease it according to your need, and you can change the sound effects volume. So let me teach it to you once again. Go ahead and open Elsa Speak. Go to your profile, which you can see on the bottom right hand corner. Tap on it. Go to your profile, tap on this arrow and tap on learning and sound settings. Now you can increase or decrease the sound volume of Elsa Speak. This was a video on how you can change your sound settings in Elsa Speak. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.